Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to ledger in Tally Prime. We will begin by understanding the importance of ledgers as the backbone of your accounting system. Ledgers are essential for categorizing every financial transaction, from sales and purchases to various expenses and incomes. They provide a clear, organized view of your financial activities, ensuring accuracy and compliance. Mastering ledger creation is a crucial step towards efficient financial management within Tally Prime, setting a solid foundation for all your accounting needs. To create a single ledger, first, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, select the Create option, which is usually the first choice. Next, under Accounting Master, choose Ledger. You will then enter the unique name for your ledger, like cash account or rent expense. Carefully select its primary group, such as cash in hand or indirect expenses. Finally, input any opening balance if necessary, and accept to save your new ledger. For efficiency, Tally Prime allows you to create multiple ledgers simultaneously. Begin by navigating to the chart of accounts from the gateway of Tally. Then, select Ledgers and look for the Multi-Create option, typically found on the right-hand side. You can choose a common group for all ledgers you are about to create, or select all items for diverse ledgers. Proceed to enter each ledger name and its respective group one by one, saving significant time. After creation, you might need to alter or simply view your ledgers. To make changes, go to the gateway of Tally, select Alter, and then choose Ledger. Here, you can modify details like the ledger name, group, or opening balance. If you only wish to view ledger information without making any changes, select Display instead of Alter. Regularly reviewing your ledgers ensures that your financial records remain accurate and consistent, which is vital for sound accounting practices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.